I'm excited to share with you an elegant and easy border pattern that's perfect for dresses. First, I folded the edges of the fabric to create a neat border. Then I fixed the fabric into the embroidery hoop to keep it taut and stable. This project is simple, yet adds a touch of sophistication to any garment. Let's get started. Using a hoop stand like Woodmate makes the stitching process more comfortable, freeing up both hands. Need embroidery essentials? Find everything you need at handystore.shop. Feel free to experiment with different thread colors to match your fabric. Light threads on dark fabric, or vice versa, can create a striking effect. This pattern can be applied to various parts of a dress, such as sleeves, hems, necklines, and even as a decorative edge for scarves and tablecloths. And there you have it, an elegant and easy border pattern that can transform any fabric into a work of art. This project is perfect for adding a personalized touch to your garments and home decor items. I will continue to work hard to bring you more interesting and useful embroidery tutorials. If you enjoy my videos, please continue to follow and share them with more friends. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video.